Combine these products and you won't regret it. I use these cubes with every wash. They make clothes smell fresher and last longer. I was surprised to learn it only takes 2 minutes to make them. Start by preparing a silicone muffin mold. Add your favorite laundry beads to each compartment, filling them to about 1/3 full. Next, sprinkle some laundry powder on top. Don't overdo it. The final step is to add liquid detergent to each compartment, just under half a cap, so the products mix but don't float. Before use, place the mold with the cubes in the freezer, preferably overnight. The next day, simply toss a cube in the drum with your laundry. Your clothes will smell amazing and more intense than ever. You have to try this trick. You'll want to use it all the time.